Hey, namkhupha esikoleni ngoba kutheni?
Why did you take out of school?
Ningobani nina?
Who are you?
Listen to me. Nphuma kulo mama. Ngibani mamakhe? Mamakhe wena. Okay. But babuya kini mos.
Utsho tata uthi basuke ekhaya
Thini?
nam ndingatsho tata xa etsho
Nithi niphuma kulo mamakhe ningobani?
Singonohombile
Ningobani?
nabanye
Unobani?
mna sifuna aphumelele
Hey, ningobani?
yo singonohombile
Ngubani nohombile?
ngumama omkhulu phaa ekhaya
Umama omkhulu pha ekhaya. Unohombile.
ewe tata
Hey, nohombile. Nohombile. Uthi wenzani kulo mntana?
samfaka amafunyalo mna sifuna abe yinto sifuna aphele estratweni kunye nosister wakhe
Upho sister walo mntana.
nangu tata
Ningene kanjani?
How did you
simelesana
enter?
nyiko emele ebusuku atale intsela yakhe
Ningene kanjani?
How did you enter?
samfaka inyoka
Nayifaka kanjani inyoka?
How did you
ayo
put it in?
kowabo
Nayifaka kanjani?
How?
apha kuye ngaphansi uba mayimlale ewe
Nayifaka pha ngaphansi
Put it in the bottom.
ukuthi imlalo.
mayimlale ewe tata
Inesikhathi esinganani le nyoka?
niyazi yonke kuye ewe kunjalo iyo
All right. Mamelani.
Listen.
Ufuna nginimbulale noma nifuna nginigoduse?
You want me to kill you
Sifuna
or take
afe.
it back?
Angitsho nina ukuthi nifuna ukufa nina.
Do you want to die?
nasifuna ukufa thina
Anifuna ukufa nina.
uyisele
Stand up, phakamani. Lo nimfakeni yena lo.
What did you put on this one?
Ut.
Puma.
Name of Jesus.
Egameni lika Yesu.
Name of Jesus.
Egameni lika Yesu.
Shut up.
Vala umlomo uphume.
Phakamisa. Bathathe unyuka nabesibingelelweni. Can I prophesy? You shall live, you shall not die. You shall declare the goodness of the Lord in the lands of the living.
I receive it.
Elizwe labaphilayo.
You will understand ukuthi kuyathakathwa pha ngaphandle.
Qaonda ukuba there is
Uyezwa
witchcraft
ukuthi
out
bathi
there.
bamfake ntoni?
Can you hear what they put in her?
Uyezwa ufakwe ntoni?
Did you hear what they put in her?
Ifakwe phi?
Where did they put it?